Cepacol is used to temporarily relieve pain from minor mouth problems such as canker, sore gums, throat, mouth gum injury. Generic names BENZOCAINE-MENTHOL. Benzocaine is a local anesthetic that works by numbing the painful area. Menthol works by providing a cooling feeling and increasing saliva in the mouth. Indications: for the temporary relief of occasional sore throat, sore mouth, minor irritation, pain associated with canker. How to use: dissolve 1 lozenge slowly in the mouth every 2 to 3 hours, maximum 10 daily. Cepacol lozenges are suitable for adults and children. For children under 6, consult a doctor. If symptoms are severe or persist for more than 2 days, consult a doctor. If cough worsens, persists for more than 7 days, or is accompanied by high fever, consult a doctor. Keep out of reach of children. Warning: if you are allergic to any of the ingredients listed, don't use this product. May occasionally cause allergic reactions. Contraindications: systemic mastocytosis, deficiency of the blood enzyme cytochrome B5 reductase, methemoglobinemia, a type of blood disorder, pregnancy. Precautions: don't use this product if you have a history of allergy to local anesthetics such as procaine, butyrate, benzocaine, or any other cane anesthetics. Ask a doctor before use if you have persistent or chronic cough such as occurs with smoking, asthma, or emphysema. Cough that occurs with too much phlegm, mucus. Stop use and ask a doctor if sore mouth symptoms do not improve in 7 days. Swelling develops. Cough lasts more than 7 days, comes back, or occurs with fever, rash, or persistent headache. This could be signs of a serious illness. Side effects: tell doctor and pharmacist if you have ever had an allergic reaction to a medicine. Symptoms of an allergic reaction can include trouble breathing, skin rash, itching, swelling, or severe dizziness, numbness or mouth or throat. A few people may have an allergic reaction to this medicine. Symptoms can include difficulty breathing, skin rash, itching, swelling, or severe dizziness. If you notice any of the symptoms, seek medical help quickly.